Is Shiba Inu still a good buying opportunity? Let's talk about it on Kyle Talks Money. Shiba Inu, just like the rest of this crypto market, is going through a rough patch. But does the latest dip make Shiba Inu a better buy in 2022? Or as many have speculated, with the bear market, such a thing means that only the strong crypto coins and tokens will survive, that meme coins like Shiba Inu will be destroyed. Or is the FUD just a way to scare off the paper hands so that the diamond hands can reap further rewards from the inevitable pump up we'll see when the crypto market recovers? Buy the dip or sell the panic. Is Shiba Inu still the one that will change your life? State your case. Thoroughly enjoying all the investors who dropped cash on SHIB 2 weeks ago and are now selling. I don't know about you guys, but people who still think they're going to find a coin or token that will boom them into millionaires is already on so many platforms absolutely crack me up. They've literally done zero research, drop more they can afford on SHIB, then leave 2 weeks later with half their money and bitter remarks. Keep it up, paper hands. You're keeping me entertained. Last year today, the price of SHIB was at this much. As of today, the price is this much. This should end all FUD that's circulating around about the current state of SHIB. Most people got in while it was at its all-time high and are panicking because they lost a percentage of their investment, not even realizing that people that came before them. We had to go through the exact same thing with that India's COVID relief fund. I say this is to try to calm people down because when the price starts to skyrocket again, you're going to be so glad you held on to your hopium. I know most people have sold their holdings because of the dip we're in, but to a person like me who's been holding for 8 months with no selling, this is nothing compared to the potential SHIB really had. It's still new and still growing, so be patient. I remember the days I used to ask who has more than 1 million SHIBs, or 10 million, or 20 million, and all the people in the beginning were joking, like for example everyone, or how many cents have you invested that you only have 30 million, laugh out loud. Now the big question, who owns more than 10 million SHIBs? Get it out of your head that you will become a millionaire overnight. It seems a lot of people think holding for a week will make you rich. Not the case. Relax. Let your investment grow. Don't think about the bottom sell. Think about the invest button. Don't get scared when it drops. Just think of it as an opportunity to grow in your investment as the market down prices. If you have the balls to initially invest, please have the brains to stick with your balls. I feel like many of you are losing a little faith. So I bought Shiba a couple months ago. I'm still in the green, but oh how my money has decreased significantly. When I joined this sub way back, it was a different tone. Everybody was happy and it felt like we all believed in Shiba. Nowadays, it seems like this sub has a lot of shills spreading FUD, and I don't like it. Please, from now on, continue to talk positively about Shiba instead of spreading FUD. Spread exciting news. Peace out and may the SHIB be with you. SHIB in 2022 has this to look forward to. 1. SHIB game. 2. Shibarium. 3. SHIB version 2. 4. ShibaNet. 5. Robinhood listing. 6. Plus weekly burns. Shiba Army, stay strong and have each other's backs. I love you all. Will SHIB survive? So the stock market is bleeding, crypto is in bad shape, futures are bloody red. Not gonna sell my SHIB no matter what happens, what the fellows SHIB are expecting. On the verge of feeling really bad about myself, could use some advice. Hey guys, I remember during the peak, I could have raked in 13k in profit. After investing just over 1k, I let it sit there and hold, and now here we are. Finally been through tough times due to everyone's gambling problems and lost a lot of money because of this. I'm starting to feel really bad and guilty about myself. I could use some words of encouragement from perhaps people who are in the same boat. You guys believe we'll be back on track at some point, or what? Much love to you all. Keep holding. This is a small amount of time in the bigger picture. Eventually, money will start pumping back into crypto. All markets have been a downward trend since December. Zoom out and look at charts for at least 5 years. You see the big dips and the recoveries, specifically after global events like COVID. All markets crashed hard in March of 2020. Instead of selling, smart people doubled down, and it paid off as everything eventually recovered. Same will happen here. How many are left in the same boat as yourself? So this sub seems to be flooded now with people who bought about the climb and fall of our last all-time high. But now many of you are still with me who bought well back at decimal ago. During the previous all-time high run, held through 10 to 15x profits and are still holding. Do you regret not taking profits, or sitting with your supply an entire entry around this price still keeping you happy and patient? For those that sold, price is currently right back to where it was on Friday, December 21st. Diamond hands are just sitting back and enjoying the show. Who's still positive? My first purchase of SHIB is positive, but my subsequent purchases are down. Still overall positive though. Don't get me wrong, holding for the long term, but just wondering for everyone else. Remember everyone, you don't have losses until you sell. No matter what coin you have, it will go down eventually, and the people who still hold them are the ones that become rich. Remember people who sold their Bitcoin when they were $1? People sold their ADA when it was 30 cents. Holding is easy when a coin is going up. This isn't even holding because of that. That's just looking at your money grow. Holding is seeing your coins become worth $50 Holding is seeing your coins become $50,000 and not selling when you see it go back to $20,000 because that will happen, and it's nothing only to go back up to the point your coins are worth 100k and you're still holding. Watching your total go down back to 90k, hold, 75k, hold, 40k, hold, 60k, 80k, 130k, tongue point where it says $1 million on your account. This requires nerves of steel or hope you forget your coins, because those are the crypto millionaires of today, and that's why there are so few, because most people already sold before that time. So what I buy is gone forever until it makes me rich. All I do is buy more. I will only sell my coins when I'm financially independent. If that never happens, I pass my coins on to my kids. Quit your negativity. Can't handle the drop? Sell, leave, we don't want you here. Want to help the coin grow? Spread awareness. Participate in burns. Use the coin to pay for things. Buy, hold, stake, close your portfolio, leave it closed. This is a moonshot, not an effing birthday present. Nobody owes us anything. If you want this coin to take off, work for it. So sit down, shut up, and do the work. See you on the other side. Why invest if you think SHIB is going nowhere? That's the epitome of oxymoron. When I bought my bag of SHIB at the end of 2020 and 2021, there was so much positivity and information. Don't get me wrong, there is still FUD saying it was never going to lose zero and be where it is today. But it did, and it will keep improving the time, especially with the project coming out that devs are working on. Patience is key, so a little advice, hold. I've never seen instant gratification when investing in anything, unless you win the lottery. Last year I sold some SHIB profits and bought a new Mac and paid over $4,000 in federal taxes. Buy the dip, sell high, or hold. SHIB is really fun. Enjoy the profits and be patient in time downs like these. Money is easy if you are patient. SHIB will dominate Metaverse and NFT in 2022. Shibarium and Shibaverse will shape up SHIB to reach its ultimate goal of 1 cent in the near future, as SHIB will also burn dramatically over the several years to reduce the circulation. In between Q3 of 2022 and Q1 of 2023, SHIB may reach a fifth of a tenth of 1 cent if Bitcoin and Ethereum reclaim their all-time highs at that point. Adding more now its lowest price level and holding SHIB is a smart move. SHIB can climb 100 to 200% with a single good news at any time. What's the point? What's the point of buying crypto if you're just going to withdraw it? Go do Forex trading. If you believe in decentralized finance, then this is a lifetime investment. I don't want my SHIB to reach 1 cent. I want to buy a house using my SHIB. I have a simple philosophy. The majority of people are idiots, so they'll typically end up better off if you move to the opposite direction of them. Everybody just knows we're going to go even lower now. If I bought dips, then I would start buying. I will say one more thing too. Once we start pumping again, pay attention to how crowded the hype train gets. Once it feels like there is standing room only, get ready to secure some profits. Crypto getting destroyed, not fun. Anyone feeling discouraged? SHIB last pump has been completely erased, and feeling like the one before it will be erased as well. Algo down 50%-ish on the month, XLM down 40%-ish. Is the way to just wait for a 40% crash and buy in? Will crypto always crash? I understand 5 to 20% up and down, but 40%, 50%, 80%, 100% losses is eh. So what are your thoughts? Is Shiba Inu still a good buy for 2022? Comment your thoughts below. And as always, take care of your money.